Yeah man, you coming like thing man, main man. With chicken food and red peas. See they are good, make it done, you know. Yeah.
And 12 food is good enough you will get time for red card. And dumplings is really good. And anybody know me knows I'm really like festival. Like me really love festival. And it really tastes good. If I were you, I would binge check this spot out.
There's a tax wheel Iraq in a center, you know, with me and Sister Jean.
This actually tastes really good. I have a piece of that pudding and some soup.
See
Yeah,
there?
man.
Yeah, man. Iraq one stop. Yeah, man. I say come get a good soup.
It's me, Akadad.
Man, I'm virgin man, everything good man.
Yeah, man. See there?
Yeah man, keep it real, you know. Yeah man, you coming like thing man.
Yeah, man.
See there? Yeah main man. Best thing in I cut man, what there man. Yeah, see the soup yeah. It's a the cow food.
Cow food soup.
Cow food with chicken food and red peas. Yeah man. You real curry goat there?
Yeah, you too, by so.
Yeah.
Like every day.
Yeah man, alright. Yeah man, I really rice and peas. See they are good, make it done, you know. Yeah. They don't do it. See the food festival, you know. Yeah man, in the place man.
Introduce the name and
Yeah man.
Yes, man.
Yeah man.
The location and
Yeah
everything.
man, there's a tax wheel Iraq in a center, you know. With me and Sister Jean, Ray and Jean, you know. And every day night thing, man. You know, next year, then same time, yeah man, seat and everything. What over there, so the hero them going over there, so everything going alright. You understand?
Yeah.
So big up your thing, you know, and big up your thing.
Alright,
At all
thanks.
times. Yeah man, one love, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man.
The highest rock in a sentence. See
Yeah
there?
man.
Yeah, man. Iraq one stop. Yeah, man. I say come get a
Yes,
good
man.
soup.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. You get a good soup. Festival and thing, yeah.
Yeah man.
Taxi man stop, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Authentic man, I'm virgin man, everything good man.
Yeah, man.
Guys, come to Iraq in St. Ann Bamboo. Me eat like 2.5 festival. I'm gonna eat 16 more.
Yeah, see top of your tree then.
Oh.
You see? See how deep you go is?
So if somebody jump
Never
down
drop
this,
the say no top man. I go you.
I never realized I saw this up. It's crazy. Wow.